started recording and saying yes. Yeah, could a man in here.
Still.
It's not it's not professional.
Blackus TV, wow. The Americans are more concerned about Sabi. Who focus on me and Padonia at Yasafo. Timon concerned about I love you, I kiss you, we imitate with us. Blackus TV, the Americans are Natasha, the little William Apollo. We are can say the film is more figure, then Mamma more farm as President Kofo. The whole Ghana made a map and the Canada Melophone. It's a free echo. Watch Blackus TV. It's nice. I gave you a wish to be an answer with your position and never go out. I love you so much.
Charlie, love you for this is your boy Frank and I love himself. Actor, musician, you know, Charlie. Blackus TV, dear. It will a monk and one I mentioned Tuesday a day. Papa.
Hello, my name is Dr. J3 Samuajan. Yeah, keep watching Blackus TV. He will have one go.
Blackus TV, because I share and the baby and will hold my winning bed.
A very bad for Jan, aka Warrior. Keep watching Blackus TV.
Yo, I'm on for my mama Kwaba, about Trewagen Jumadiano so. As you know me, this is your boy Mosonfo Kwame Yeboa, aka Obroni 1. Bakope 1 in town. Send me dika ebon hu dawuro ene chere wadwen ena ebe hyase ya betiano fefefe de na not to forget no ade a ehu hia ye pa dwumadie woi emaso kwa o na mom ndwumako ahodo a omoso ya sen ema dwumadie etumi ba so no eni Adom City Estate omoso ya na kaswa nyanya no kwa no so Adom City Estate Omoana se ope asase ato a ana se ope se wusidan ya betumi aboawo ama wadwuma no akoso fefefe se obeto asase obesidan no enye adwuma ketwa etoda obetumi ato asase na langa adofo na be ha wadwen ana se you find out say asase a watoi ya to ama nipa miensa enan enum ene akiri epei enti yentumi to asase wagana na oh ye betumi ato pa na emom fa kwampa no so fa empanyemfo mbetumi aboawo fa omoso eno ane Adom City Estate na edwuma fefefe omoye no oh enye bini o na oto asase ne wie krata da ho eno nso ya de ehu hia pa no faking krata no eye amapa na oto asase ne wie a se ubesidan Adom City Estate fo no beboawo ama wesi omo besi ama o na wetua omo kakra na edan hodo fefefe a ombetumi esiama wo no oh bebre kwa monhwe ne ekosui eno ani what na ho fe me fini o meboa but me pe bi sa sisia me we program we ya meko Adom City Estate for no na me no mo akoye contract visit na me de akyere obi ya say award abasopo dia broni enyame o broni be fe no award no omo ade bebre why because omo adwuma no efe na ye no nyansa kwan so Adom Court eno ne estate fefefe a omo asi omo atudin omo din atoso Adom Court mesaka biom se ope omochina kwan ya kaswa udru kaswa fa obenkum so ti se de okọ nyanya no kwan no so omo roadside no ekwan no ho pe enyanyira kwan udru ho no ma na wabisa obia betumi a kirew eno na nchen no Joy Industries Limited omo ana mfitiase no omo the Joy ointment buy na kakarere giba ede be pa na eyo to nkune bi na fasra wo ho beto fom na ho na maye wona me edi me ajumone ya jimetrimu yam fa no nton chai no enye nkunku a na mo amunim me say Joy for no Joy daddy beaters and sasronku bi omode ba no the true bitters of the land sana broni ne beka am panso herbs nkwa and omode ye no chemicals and no naturally no Joy twedie ginger feel the akekadro more power, more joy. And no. And I'm saying, Omode and Sasrum could be about one thing or your friend. No, Soko. Aye, Soko. Na, and no, I knew. Na munim say, and Nemre say, Obika says Sokoa. What is Sokoa? What bet you say? What bet you so? Dead, Soko, dead, and no. Very, very important. Soko, dead. Yeda obibia se meda monyina se ene wasem wadaje na moye krado se mobehwe kire wadwen dwumadie no na ene asema yebedi hu nkomo no ye frɛ no tramadol ai edru a ye frɛ no tramadol no edru ben ye de den na eba ne se na enemre edru a ye frɛ no tramadol anase obi tumi twa no short tramol agye din saa ewo Ghana titriu no emrante ne mabano mu Medie kakra minim ne say medie the talk of a layman just say nipa papa hwe kwa onim hwe no me na me kama asem no medie minim say tramadol no ye duro bia ye hwe patients wo hospital ye operation I say oba bi be ye wo ya na say de be ya body pains no na say de be pains no eso beti no e na ye be ma wo sa eduro no say be ya pains no so beti na say ye de ma aponko say omo nkwa America ene odemo omo a ombe so America mu de nene na wonim say nemri nipa da ne ponko ayo medwene ho amenti ase nipa da ne ponko apa because to me so mrikam onom sa tramon ne bia obehuri obetumrika fiti akra cycle ekoduru kuma ase na omre ebe adehin oduru kuma ase mpo no omre jama okota na lentia ene oduru bolo kakra na wasanom tramon bia ka ona oduru moroko adehin oh dabi na ewo kwan anase eye ne kwan so se enemrante ne maba no enum tramol ne bi ana enye ne kwan so se omunum adenti ena edruwe agedin wo Ghana saa menti ase mesremo me de minim hwe o ma kire ma adwen kakra bi afedie edru mo amoso mesremo mo nkire mo adwen na ye ni ho nkomo edru mo so na Mama men kaimo mama remfi say dwumadie we emaso kwa na emom Adom City Estate ena ede braye no se wo pe asase ato na se wo pe edan esia wo besi wo dan a Adom Estate fo beboa eno na nche no Joy Industries Joy Daddy Bitters Joy Twade Ginger and Soko Dead and no Let your comments come. Mama mi hu mo comments no. Die me sana Nyankopon ye me hu niam bebre eye pa but me ni die enye enti se mo mfa mo comments mra na me die me ha me ni a hwe mo comments no na ya ka ho asem. Na motumi kai nipa bi awuni momo wanom tramo ama na brabo aseda se mo kaya mo famra na yenka ho asem na very very important obi amfa ne comment mra na yenhwe kwan ya befa so aka ho asem ya asantewa Agnes ya meni wo ya adwemeda wase why yeah, I said it all. Emom de me kan ni now. De aka no ewo mo amoho. You guys and ladies and gentlemen, you would rather say it all. Nti misremo a mo mama comments emra. Hey, obi frɛ me Chao Bello. Ada yo me kru ni ana. Ene me da wase se wa frɛ me Bello, but de me nhyɛ da nye Bello sao. Bello obi a Italiano kasano. Ye pa kyerɛ sɛ obi a ne ho yɛ fɛ. Na me de yo ndie me da wase mistremo a mo fa mo adwen emra mo fa mo comment en emra no dwumadie no eno nti na yato din se kyere wadwen no enye me ena me kyere ma adwen no metumi a kyere kakra ba de aka no ewo mo amoho and just remember say dwumadie we no it's from the studios of Blackus TV and the mo hwehwe Blackus TV GH was Facebook so enye me nkwa me page no na mo like mame eno nso wo ho eno nso hia ding. Remember again, Joy Industries and Saturday the I will be saying joy and there can be beer. Yes, joy daddy bitters truly helps and no. Okay. Trisha Nelson, I think the Tramadol drug must be sold out only by doctor's prescription. Yes, many way I drink Trisha, why are dear, what can you say? Because say a druid a drusron, and he say yan trauma was a numa, and he wants a woman. Now, still, my Jane AM 22 say, I am no cresse, just a doctor, and I throw a drone mawa, a banasana, a drona jedina, a jekrumafa. Not just say, ain't it could it be say a doctor for and a omwama a drone hokwan? Some way there and cabam won't. Oh, Spendylove, what are you seeing? You are seeing me, my dear. I don't know who. Oh, thank you for the wow. Mr. Moa, Monfa, my dream rap. A no crest doctor for na or more Maquia Madruna Babontiana. Now, because Obine Catcheremino, Miss Hannah Mete, Monfa, my dream rap, and no creana. Yo, Spendylove, Medawasese, what few was saying at Sereme. Namum, Yemfa, ya Jancy, a same way so. And nona, and whom here at Triuno. Mr. Mo say, Obinimu be, Tramadol, and I say Tramor, I say Nigerian, I say Nabraboda. Monfamo experience no, Monfamra. Osuahua Munya, no, Mr. Mo, Monfamra, na yanka wasem, na yenina, yensuan yansen frim. Na who said ye, yanso, yababo yahubain, a free a draw it no. If he says, no, a walk quiet, and sign fataswa. Eden soon swan so be brave ba. Moi. Eh, obi wo ho me make example bi keke o, me ma won fato ho. Utumi no medrona ma weni afri wo ho so. Chese se wugina ho se wote ho wo de wonim because you're in a different world altogether. I say obi a wanom ndroa ma chese na adwen no, na adwen ayera no. Me hu obi, last month me who will be sent up police for HSino. Now, see this guy. Ojinaho, Ojinaona, so no was and now Ojina and Chena said, was him say, Benjamin, me faster channel. Send a police in Nijina Nechi. Quite on himself with Dimrica, and so no Ojina de Ojina. One, the Tramo bet me the Yenipa. We need more comments. Yes, Monfamra, and also here. Yanka Huasemno. And let me remind you again, ADWEN City Estate, and Abwaye, Mwasuya saying, I'm a Jumaji way at Miababonteno. Yes, Trisha, someone who takes overdose of that drug speaks like he's drunk. I know the Emene will be arguing. Ain't he, not just say, a druno. Now, a drone and Casano, a draw papa, and I say a dubone. Because I said my working, and my drink could be so say, not just say, Ebia, a drone and Casano, it wouldn't be bad, but overdose of it. And I say, we shouldn't take it at all. What the car can say, this is a doctor, and I try drone now. So, which is which? What is what? Media Mahu? Meyankasa Mahu nipa, Tramor, Asena Jenda, if you have such kind of experience, please, Monfamra, and let's see what we can learn from it. Again, I remind you, Blackwoods TV Studios, that's where we are. Hana, Edijumadiano, Estatiano, Heya, the best producers, the best TV producers in town, Blackwoods TV team. Omwana, and ne. ADWEN City Estates and Joy Industries Edinsa Woso Ama Jumadie we etumi ba monteno. Tramadol. Have you friend or Tramor? A bin so friend or Bru, meaning say the same thing and I say a different. Ye would dear who do be brave. Ye the friend. Namum, adia asema ehun hia yen pa ne say a kwan pen. And I bit to me faso, SC assembly quine. ye beye den etumi esia no efiri se asemwe akoya asempao etumi se bi no madwen ama nipa no onim ne ho biom na ebe wie tiri no so me de mebɔ mpa se nyame mfa nyede emfa sa ma na mum obi betumi afaso ewu eduro betumi akum nipa enti kwan ben ena ye betumi afaso esi asemia no kwan abeye ohaw kese pa ye beye den ena yetumi esia no momfa mo adwen mra meda obi bia nso ase se still se de medical kan no mo asem adaje na mo aye krado se mo behwe kyere wadwen dwumadie no momfa no se dwumadie wi no enye media enye Blackout TV nso dia eye moa mo dia enumti ena ya tudin se kyere wadwen kyere wo wadwen no enye me Kwame yeboa de madwen ekuta me no madwen nko metumi aka na emu de hia metitri wu no ene moa mo adwen no oh lota meda wase ba meda wase Mr. fa wadwen bra oye opia you are into media just like me woni minyansa pa o experiences bebre yes enti ade we me sure say won so wo good advice good experience and I say adwen pa obetumi di aba ama ye nyina yesu en bibie frame tramadol blue pink red me de egu akodo bebre na me de ade ya me hipra ne say obi a onom no bebre no mo hwe nanima te say you feel sorry for the person adenti ena se say basa na ade a te say eya madwen ye me enye me tutu keke o eya me be say 100 no because Emma madwen me bebrebe say how kwan ben so kra na adru no bebi a obeko bia won sa beka bi Trisha, yes, I love your comments. Seriously, I really love your comments. A doctor must prescribe it though, but a particular grams at which can be taken, but people have also fakened some. The market which is being sold out secretly by unknown people. Okay, o patre say ebia eni kwan say edru no eba abonten sa na emum I say ebinom so they trying to take advantage of it omu fa ho na omu ye edru na ma na eba abonten no. It is harmful drug, but yet young guy do take to help them work harder. Others take it for fun because they want to the top. Yeah, but still the question still remains oh. Adentina omofa ama omo ahoden aba bebre se de medical kan no bi betumi anante free cycle ekodru kuma sa no mre na mebo ye ne kwan so se obi nante bebrebe sa no na ahoden no so nte ye ne kwan so ana yes ade wo ye hu hia yen it is harmful. Yes, it's a harmful drug. Said doctor no amfa ma wa and say wo no no and no here ye no nemum we have to find out say how is it so common in the market, which shouldn't be. Oh nanedu watch it from Germany. Oh depa and ye kachere won fefo a omo Germany nyina say omo nso omo nhwe bi. Yes, Honorable Michiao, I reckon the presence of Penyin pa na aba behwe dwumadi we de de soronko nyame nshirao. Send the medical aka no, probably you might have lost the beginning of it. Medical aka say Tramadol no eye duru bia soronko ye de ma ayare for hospital. Those who went through operations and I say ye de ma amponko say omon fan so mrikam na eba na say na enipa da sani. Especially titru kra no mrante ne maba etuminya sa Tramadol ne bi no so easily na asa omo abrabo no na kwambe na yebetumi esia no. Justice watching from Austria, fantastic. Then tell a friend to tell a friend. No mumra neto so no mumeshabi. B Flames GH, hello, yes my brother, how are you? On who to say many a japa se waba jumaji so won so chere wadwen why my main kan mu nyina say sponsors and I say enjumako ahodo a omo so yasin mu eye Adom City Estate omo kaswa nyanya no kwan no so se wo pese wo to asase wo bra wo mre krata no ho ahobammo wom enye afi na langard fo no baba be ha wadwen a then that's the right place to go wo pese wo si dan a Adom City Estate besi ama wo na watwa omuka nkakra once again yes okay I know the yebeka ho asem watch it from North Carolina. Wa nyame nshirawo. Ade ayeye de aye pechen ade nyina na said the program will go far. Ye pese adwumade no nko etiri na obia betumi esua nyansa efrim. Efri se enye me nyansa na me nyansa ben. Nyankopɔ de wama kakra de but de aka nyina wo mo ho no. Enti mo nyina mo fa mo nyansa mra. Mo fa mo afutusem emra na ye nyina ye nsuasua ye ho. Na ye mfa mo ye bra. Na as I said, another sponsor is Joy Daddy Bitters Joy Tradie Ginger and Soko Dedel. Yeda omonina ase. Trisha Nelson, I love the way you participate into the program. Yes, once again. And the most annoying part, okay, Ebufuaba, in that they don't even feel shy, I know the ampo, to take it and even take pics. Oh yeah, I know the mahubida. And make videos for us to see they are tramadol addicts. Hey, gee, waka sema mekra emihi bepre.
Mix the language with English.
Hey, you have said something so true and so disgusting indeed. And dear, I was saying, shut. Oh, me that was saying yes. I will keep it up for you and for everybody who is appreciating this program. Honorable, DJ Bugatti, Adenta, Bakope, fantastic. Keep watching the program and please share your thoughts with us. Tramadol. Why is Tramadol so rampant and so... Oh baby, why? And why is it spoiling people's lives and people's mind? And how can we counteract this thing so that everything goes back to normal? Ye beye den etumi esi ohawa tramadol ede abanu anokwan. Ye beye den etumi edi hudwuma. Ama obia dwen no etumi aye no fine. If we say yempe kwai tramadol no etumi say nipa dwen no enye ye fe enye ye de. We don't like that. I can even say, oh, me I don't take it, so why should I care about somebody else? No, because I love you just as much as you love me. You're part of me. We're all one. So if something happens to you, ebeye me ya. Se bibi to me nua, ebeye me ya. Me ame fans, se mo adwen free mo ho so asabi. Ebeye den na mo anya me movie ne bi ahwe biem. Ebeye den na se menwom no eba abonten a mo anya bi atie. I need my fans, but I need them alive and strong. Me here me fans was amando. And I say, oh, me pese owu be me fans ne free mensem. Mansa Musa, Manasseh from Akosombo. These people must be ho. Let's just say I get money. I get money. I get 3 minutes. I discipline. Well, anyway, discipline is also important, and self-control. Kwaku Junior, speak more tree and you will get more views. I know there. I would like also somebody to make comments in tree. And also, the next comments. You found, okay, they need okay, so the government should act on it. Okay, and see, also what Jenny was say, buying, as I said, buying it to me a hoopy. Yes, sir. Okay, and also a good idea. After all, say a drubi eba country be mua, na say eba o mine be mua. Na enya ba na ema ho kwan. Na okay, then somebody can say, okay, then if there is cocaine in the country, that means Ghana government is ema ho kwan ma cocaine ba na. Oh, eno de men kan sa o. Na mum said ye nua a kere na adwen no. Yen sre aban no na omonye hu bibi. Omma control no. Eso hwe no. It should be tight. Said ye be ya edru no ehu hia wo kwan bi so no. And by the way, if you want to sponsor this program, say once we obia or company and so what products or and say we me keke o ye oni papa o pese wo beso yasen and ye beboyen obetumi afre number me ba beboso yi said ye be ya yɛbɛtumi ahyia na wo ne Black Coast TV foɔ no adi nsanwosoɔ 0248 338199 message so biam 0248 338199 obetumi afrɛ anaasɛ obetumi amano WhatsApp ne nyinaa ɛyɛ. That is if you want to sponsor kyerɛ wadwen dwumadie no ɛno nso hia papaapa. Yɛnkɔ so nhwɛ comments no. Emmanuel Kweku watching from Italy. Italiano bello, bellissimo, numero 1. Come stai? Grazie. Continua a guardare. Ok, yɛntwa so. Yɛnsa obi bɛkasa ne kasa ɔmo. And we want chi. Yo. Monfancheme na etoda me krum kasa no so hia me kakra. Yedi ka say Tramadol eye edru soronko. Adenti na yefre no soronko. Efri say enye edru bia keke, anase enye edru a se mfato ho no se woti paiwa obetumi anoma woti ne ko. Anase malaria achewa obekọ akoto Tramadol na malaria ne ko. Debi eye edru bia yedema patients are omutibia no eye soronko. Kire say obi ayaye no operation sebi ya papa ne muda. Ana ya sa pempam ya ye ne mu adwuma na wi ana ya sa pempam ato o sori free na no mu a ho na ebe ye wo ya no ya ebe ye wo no enti endro ahodo a ye de masa patients ama omo ho ato won no ebi ne Tramadol na se o ye ponko a me se den ade mponko nso hwe we die metinyo na mom ye nyina ye nipa sebi ye nye mponko enti ade ntina obi be ye ne ho ponko na wonom Tramadol na wosumri kamu den na watumrika from Accra to Tamale ade ntia oh debi ebe me ya because at the end of the day do you know say even edru baby to the extent to say trotro drivers ebinom efa binom ansa no mo akwadwuma say omo say ebe mo wagina so ebe mo nya ahoɔden and some of the accidents akwanhyia a ehu pa a esi wo Ghana no ebi fi Tramadol a driver for no nomda. Yes, because ehonso sanso no ebini wonimo wode wotwi wo kaa no boko ana mpofrima na wosinsane a na ede na ebesi wonimo hu biom na then I te said you will and I can't over baby kura na omo amotetem na epra ewu. Next comment. Watching from Italy, yes, and I've read that before. We want Chi and also Trisha. Oh, I love you so much. I think the government should ban all the local medicine sellers from selling this drug and also go on an expected inspections. Unexpected. Just say, bro, omo nhwe kwan no na abano enkonkwohwe omo nyesa. And also because obinim say abana baba behwe na ene say otonsan ndrubo ni bia ene obeyama odi esi say de beya omo ba omo hu and also no krepa asare kalebia slowed mema wakwaba yes DJ Bugatti medawase Steven Broniwa Bronino so yabeka ho asem because Bronino enyi ncheda nya Brunisa. I think this is about time. Yes, it's about time that citizens should be seriously educated about it, just as you're doing. I will there entreat my fellow friends watching to keep sharing to get many people alert. Yes. Then also share this video. Just say pon na wa share ato Facebook page so na say wo blog no say de be ya manfo benye bi etie ahwe na obi abetumi esu anyansa efrim. Say ne medika kai no nyansa beberebe no efrim wa mo ho. Obi abekere na adwen enti obi obehwe bia betumi esu abibi pa efrim. Once again, let me remind you, Joy Industries is helping us. Omona omoso ya saying omona omode joy twadie joy daddy bitters and a joy soko de ebaye and na Adom City Estate auto asase na se upese wusi dan akọ Adom Estate 4 ewo kaso anya no kwa no so ho baby omo wo kwa no ho pe omo adwuma no omo agi abasobo de pi se de joy fo no so agi omo de no ewo omo kwa no so bebre kwa efisa nyansa omo de omo adwuma no nyansa soronku bi. Let's move ahead and watch more comments. Razak Sadia, good point. Yes, meda wase na chese wonso wone yen eya adwen. Steven, where are you from? Okay, I will tell you in Chambers, but God not me, watching from Japan. Arigato. Na chese meda wase. Keep it up, well done. Thank you, Nyamin Shirao. Kosoa neshe na Ghana for community wa Japan so fatodwa na obianso like me page no Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1 as well as Blackus TV GH. Like these 2 pages and keep watching us. Akono Collins, nice one. Yo, thank you for believing and thank you for appreciating. All right, Blackus TV, as I said, from the studios of Blackus TV, we are bringing this program to you. Almost say memfatrino and mematrino no so no correct. If you say yenina ye Ghana for enti ye krum kasa no ene wo say ye kan. Mavis, yes, me Joso, won to say. Also for wadwen bra, won wo bi a Tramadol asen adwene da. Won wo bi a Tramadol asen abrabo eda. Won no say. Ena ewie say. Na adwen ben na anase osuahunu ben na wonya frim. Ma ye hu. Okay. Peps, Wayne, yes, you're right. We need to ban this drug. Okay, this is what you think. Such medicines are scarce in the rural areas, so the youth who visit their hometown transport them if the police is able to make unexpected checks. Said the Trishan Soka, unexpected checks. Omonko ye check, omonko she wobra, obia enshe nimse ombeba beshe. Asantewa Agnes, seriously, this drug should be banned, and the Mental Health Authority and other stakeholders should amend the narcotic law on to which drug is good for the human system. Unim, asema okage metiasie pa na mum, die tie ne se Tramadol no eyedru a doctor fo no edema ayarefo mo hospital no, enti se sebi ebia cocaine. Cocaine die ya banne no se eye edrubone, enti eni kwan se ba system no mu. Enti no de ya banne. Na Tramadol no ye bede abane if we say we use it, doctors use it to treat patients. Nemum kwaya ebinom efanom efade ade a ensan fatano eno ana wo se yesi ano kwan. Enti ye beyeden etumi ayesa ebinom ama suggestion ebinom a kire o ma adwen say ye ma police anase aban enye checkups omon kohwe bebia ebia omunim say anase ye yi omu asotre say eha na omoto so aduru no na omo nkɔhwɛ wo mra obia enhwɛ kwan anase obia ni naso say ombeba behwɛ. Next comments again. In actual fact, I never knew nor heard of this Tramadol thing before until a month ago when saw Nana Abba Anamwa's documentary on it and was all that amazed what this whole stuff is all about. God save our generation from this kind of abuse. Yes, yeah, but yenina ye bompa se nyankopon no onye yen na ye de na mom na unim se mamemfa Yesu nsem no. Yesu se ono de oye kwan obian tuminko eja na hoje se ofane so na che se wa na obetu ho anamon na wakona ho. And yes, nyankopon betumi eje yen na mom ye na wo se yetu ho anamon na ye mo ye ho ban. Se nyankopon se ade we enye mawo a ye nhwe ye ho mfiri ho anase ade we eye na mom se obi amfa mawo a anase se obi a ankyere wo se de wo besi de di ho dwuma emfa won sanka memfa nye hwe enti ye beye asutie anase ye beye asoden emudie hin na ye pe ye nyina ye nim se ehun so sanso no ebini o enti emudie na ye pe. Yes, Sharon Boaten Vincent, you're watching. Mema wakwaba menia Japan se waba. Na yankoso Mamen Kaimo, yes, share. Oh yeah, oh thank you. Watch a video no. Okay. You don't wanna keep doing that for us. We thank you very much. Na midika say Bruno ebitumi ama obi akonya accident. If he says efa wotrima uni mo hubium it is obi a wahye per 100 at a goal na wo betumi ahye sebio betumi ahye we mako oha 100 in 1 hour na mom se wonom Tramadol ne bia ene it is de wa ye sa pepepe na hwe de bi su wotrim enya de pakra enti control anase esohwe a esese aban etumi edeba edru no so no eyade a emu ye den efri se enye edru bia ye se eni kwan se nipa dasani enom te se bia cocaine and I say enduro afofra ya bande ato ho eye duro bi a ye de ye adwuma enti eso hwe ene kwan a yes somebody said we need education not just say ehia say aban anase ye a ya gidin wo Ghana ye a ye twasene anase ye a ye to nwum no ye nso ye nyina ye nka mmom na ye mfa nyansa emma Ghana fo ye mfa afotusem emma Ghana fo na obi enhu say eduro say a na eti o enti ekwan a esese obi fa so nom no eni o apart from kwan we no man Amos Odro, I'm watching you live from South Africa. Yo. Greetings to South Africa. Meda obi bia ase and ye kachre the community of Ghanaians Ghana fo nyina omo South Africa say omo nyina omo nka mom na omo nhwe program fefe. Say we need to Soko Dedel from Joy Industries. Omo di kind de Joy Ointment ebaye say ohu kekau dwiba ohunama propro anase kakarere ede obi bitumi be say na broni pa be na we hu sa ni nyina ede experience joy ena echreme ana joy soap enye nkonkwa soap semina obitumi de adware ama ohunama to fom no. Now, Ojariwia, now Wakonum joy the bitters, the true bitters of the land, and a joy candy ginger. Now unka would the joy lime cordial, akahon, now I the dead. Shayo ricco. Se questo problema di medicina non può fermarsi a causa dei leader del Ghana, o pacere se, a semwe anase ohawa etisano, yentuminsi anokwain, esan se, Ghana atitriufo no anase Ghana edikanfo empanyimfo mudi eso no omonye ehwehwe well yemfa na say obia wo the responsibility no obia wo na say de ewo asami ho enti aban de no aban wo ne de no na ye citizens of Ghana so obia wo ne de enti wo single me bompa say mo amoshe video we nyina obia ne ho a wanom tramoda but obi wo ho nso by mistake wanom do na say wanom da krampo a oh me de I don't blame you and I say me mfa asem bia me mfa nhye wo say oh why you bone na obi wo ho a onim na waye enti sua nyansa efri program we mu dwumadie yi mu fa ba obra said ye beya bibia be konkan yetam nsoko akakakra na dwumadie no so yapon ose bonso Luther well said it's all the stars are to what you do okay like if all the stars do what you're doing many of these claims will be combated okay metiasi opatre say senka celebrities nyina senka nyina ye kabom na obia ye de meye ne bia ebeboa bebre eye nokre na me de me Kwame ye boa de me mentana fa ko me dance na me nai enti enche bia me so me promo video against Tramadol no ebeba abonten no na makọ how stars ni nyina dwen se master won so twa bi na me mfanto na eto so na amanfo nya bi nhwe and also here the if he says yena we have to be the example for the country if we don't do it then we are also to be blamed. Nancy Amwa, well done, thank you, keep watching KYERÄ Dwumadie no. And let's move ahead. Now, once again, perhaps Wayne are more worried and concerned in the rural areas because the youth in the rural areas abuse this Tramadol. I think this Tramadol should be strictly given to the hospitals if they are used in case of okay, comments on the kakra, but the Canadian Yansa woman pa say the medical no hospital for no